Alright, this is Reviews and More. Time to check out this new toy review. This is from a company called Zuru. This is their Zuru Max edition. This is basically like a Lego alternative. So they have several little kits. None of them are terribly large kits. Most of them are in like these little balls and stuff. And there's like plants, and this is the food edition. And I got sushi because sushi is by far my favorite food. And this is just going to be a quick run through of my general opinion of the product and how easy it is to work with compared to things like Legos, Mega Bloks, that kind of stuff. Overall, it is a very well put together system of building blocks. It is not difficult to handle at all. The number one thing that I love about it, honestly, is the fact that rather than having a long folded out sheet or an app, it just gives you a little booklet that's step by step. So you have one instruction per page and it's not overly complex. Everything fits together very nicely. They don't do any kind of strange, like weird, like under pressure kind of, I'm going to say, bindings to make where it won't really be stable. This build is very, very stable, and there's the final result there you see with the sushi and the chopsticks and the little wasabi with soy sauce down at the bottom there. But overall, very satisfied with it. Nothing really to write home about as far as how well it's done. The instruction manual is excellent. The images, the highlighted portions, anyone over the age of 8 should be able to handle this just fine. It might take longer for younger kids, but I got it done even with videoing in about 30 minutes. And this is a 200-piece one, so if I weren't worrying about, you know, doing the whole video thing and stopping and starting the camera, I could probably have had this done in about 15 minutes. A lot of fun. Price-wise, it's about $13 at Walmart. Nothing too crazy. It's about the right price for how large the actual set is. The only real complaint I have for this particular set is the bag system. I'm used to like them being numbered. What they did here was they basically took the bags they took the tiniest pieces and put those in one bag, and they took the larger pieces and stuck those in the secondary bag. So rather than it being one bag in the instructions followed by the second bag in the instructions, then you're done. It really was just to kind of organize and categorize the pieces by size and more or less my ability to lose them under my chair as they rolled all around, because those itty bitty single circle things are meant to be like rice. Also, it had this little thing where you could poke out the portions of the actual chopsticks. So that's a little unique. Most building block systems don't have like a thing where you actually pop out a piece to it. The base was really easy to assemble. This thing was overall very, very nice to work with. There was nothing wrong with these materials. Again, the only complaint I really have is simply that there's just an issue with the bag system. Again, that's just me being used to the Legos numbering system, so it's really not that big of a complaint. Just understand you basically have to open up both bags, and they're really only separated out by just how small the pieces are and how easily they can be lost. So just keep that in mind. There's no real rhyme or reason to them. And this is obviously this is a small kit. They got bigger ones, but they don't get much bigger. And these are just kind of fun. They're meant to stick out in places. They're meant to be held out and just be kind of on display. Very cool, very fun. They got like donuts, hamburgers. They got various plants and things for people who are into that kind of stuff. But overall, I'm going to give this one like a 9 out of 10. This was very simple to work with. I'd be interested to see what they can do with larger scale building materials, because most of what they offer is very much like static. You're basically building your own little statues and your own little figurines. There's not much movement going on, but everything's very stable. The chopsticks, even though they're long and they have little connector pieces, they still feel very stable because they're chopsticks, and they don't feel like they're going to fall apart when you hold them. But yeah, overall, very satisfied, very good set to work with, and highly recommend.